Yep. Hopefully mic's working. Awesome. Welcome to the stream. Again, I started stream early. It's right now. It's 6:40 here. God, the it got so dark at five o'clock itself, which is unusual for me because when I was in India, it's usually like 6:30. Maybe it extends to 7, but then not more than that. Now it's like the opposite way. It gets dark here at 5 o'clock. Whew. So, if you guys are new here, my name is Balaji. I am a cybersecurity student at the University of Maryland in the US. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I saw the social blade like with my channel name today, and it said like I'll be reaching 1,000 subscribers after 2 years. I'm like, what? Yeah, just subscribe to my channel. I hope you find it really useful, and I'm trying to like create new content. I'm working on it. Right now, it's been really tough for me because I have to balance out my college and I shouldn't say college, like my university and this YouTube as well. But I'm trying to like I have a lot of ideas and everything is in motion, and I'll be start creating the videos for it for sure, and it'll be live on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe, and it's going to be worth it. I'll be honest with you, it's going to be worth it. All right. So before starting today's session, I just want to tell you guys that I am super happy today that Hamilton won the race. I am gassed, like yes, I would say, because the reason being that I'm an Hamilton fan. It's not because that Hamilton has won a lot of championships, so he's the greatest. No, I like Hamilton because of what he has done to the community, what he has done to sporting, and how like good he is in the sport as well. Like it's everything mixed. And what they did for today's racing is just it's not good. It's really bad, to be honest. Uh, the thing is, getting like five grid like 5 days grid penalty. It's okay because he changed the engine like more than his allocation, but disqualification from the qualifying just because Verstappen touched the rear wing. It's kind of not a good move, but the thing is though, anyone in that position uh, would have given up because they know it's impossible to for any driver in his position. They know that it's actually like impossible uh, reaching like at least podium places, because right now this F1, a lot of people are really competitive. It's not just Hamilton or Verstappen. A lot of people are really competitive due to the fact that they have really good drivers this season. But Hamilton did it. Hamilton like 15 places in 24 laps, and he drops down to 10th position, and then he goes up to first position. And in the first 4 laps, he gained 7 positions, which is mad because it like I know that he's going to be fierce in driving, but I didn't know that he's going to be this fierce. That's like that's on another level. Uh, I am like I get inspired by him every single day, and this one is no joke. Uh, Sadly, like I don't know whether like Red Bull, they're trying to sabotage Mercedes, but if they're doing that, then they got a big L. I just posted on my Instagram saying that with this L shape, and Max would have thought it, but then it's simply they kind of he is giving a tough fight. I'm not going to lie. Max Verstappen is giving a really tough fight for his championship, but this time it is sad. To be honest, I didn't expect this move from Verstappen. Like touching the rear wing. The stewards I'll find out. Then I would agree. It's the steward's job to actually tell whether the rear wing is according to the technical specification of FIA. But no. So Verstappen goes and touches the car. It's but at the end, I'm really happy. I'm really happy that Hamilton won the race. I it's I don't hate Verstappen as a racing driver because he's incredibly talented, even equally talented as Hamilton. But when it comes to being a sports person, I don't consider him as a sports person. I just consider him as a racing driver. That's it. Man, like it's mad. I was like shouting. I'm lucky that my house owner didn't come down and say like you're shouting a lot or something like that. But then it's been crazy. The three hours. But yeah, I just wanted to like let it out, guys. But yes, I'm really happy. I am happy as. Okay, so screen's working. All right. Today it's going to be all about dashboards. Uh, I have a couple of doubts when it comes to like the updating and updating based on password. So what I'm trying to do is like I'll first implement the CRUD operations, and if time permits, maybe I can try to add a little bit of security, to make sure that everything works. And I'm not sure whether I'll be finishing the project on time. Like it's going to be neck and neck, but blah blah. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho, and never she is on my mind, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, a little bit psycho. And I have to check the why uh, Argon 2i isn't working on this thing. But if registration, like I have to check whether registration works as well because if both aren't working, then there's a problem in what is that? Like the PHP side, like maybe the PHP on the hosting there isn't updated to what I have, like the updated spec to what I have. So maybe that's a possibility. But that's for another day now. Gosh, this coffee is good. Okay, so right now, let me check where am I. Okay, so okay, so login is there. Okay, good. This works. Um. Okay, so this session ID is available, but then I have to add a logout button. Okay, I'll just note this down on. I think that should I add because I tend to forget a lot. So I just note. I tend to forget a lot, guys. Okay, so logout implementation, add password, delete password, delete password. Oh, okay. Right now, I just want to check something. Uh, so the thing is that Postgre, post search, hmm, an option value, row heading. Yeah. And I'm receiving with the API ID over here in work notes, and then I'm filling the work notes. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Just let me just remove the register button. Log out. Log out as well. So that. Okay. Um. Okay. Where should I start? I'll just start by adding some new. Uh. Yeah. Adding some new passwords. Okay, so we have accounts, and that accounts have some ID, the username and password, and these have also ID, username, and the password, and its email address. Okay, so I have to take the ID and the username, like get it from the database, and then store it over here. Oh, there's going to be a lot of work. Okay. So password, and then you can packet the hash. Like I might, like, I know it's going to take a lot of time for me to like check out the session because I'm really bad at it. But then the cryptography part, I think I'm good. I can do it really well. Okay, like we'll worry about the session after some time because that's the last part, making sure that everything works. Like, yeah, I think it's the last part. Okay, so we have back. Oh, I already started adding passwords. Okay, and then in dashboard, where is it? The add password. Wait a minute. So it brings me here. Um, then this goes to add password. Oh wow, that's awesome. Cool. I already started adding the Okay. Okay. So this is the website name, username, password, and email. Oh, okay. I think I might have to add like just give me a second. So ID is there, the username, password, email is there. Then I have to add website name. Yeah, website name should be added, and then yeah, I think ID should be good. Like website name should be added. Let's create add a new after email. Go. So it's called site name, variable character, and then 255. So awesome. So website name is there. If I go to this, the name, username, email, password, and then this gets stored here. All right. So before adding password, I have to get the. I have to send the session this thing as well. So I started the session. Where's the other one? Yeah. Session start off. Download primary username equal to so the primary username is this. So what I'm going to do is that before adding the actual password, the ID of the primary username. So dollar primary username query equal to dollar connection prepare of I'll type prepare here and then select ID from accounts where username equal to this. I have to check on the prepare statement. So query, then you paste the query. Query string SQL query, and then let's check login because let's see. So I have to bind the parameters and then execute and then store the result. Okay, so the same one. So bind param, so dollar bind. So the primary username goes there. Awesome. So primary username goes there, and then you have to execute it and get the result stored in something called $result. Execute the query. So I'm going to execute. So primary username prepared, and then execute. Now, should I get the result and then store the result, or okay? I'm getting the result and storing it to a variable. Oh, it's get result off. Awesome. I need to make sure, like, I need to get the here. I need to get the ID. ID to ID. So Mm-hmm. Switch association off, right? Yeah. Hey, what should I do next? God damn. Give me a minute, guys. I'll just drink some coffee. Maybe today's dinner I'll just order off of Uber Eats. I'm not sure. Or else I'll just cook myself like some sort of Thai chili noodles or something like that. Whew. Okay, so I just fetched the result. Then I'm going to ask to ID. Just want to make sure it's ID. Cool. Now, since the ID is stored, what I'm going to do is password. So what's the structure? ID, username, password, email. So ID it's not going to be null, it's just some value. It's going to be 5 variables, right? So I wait a minute. I need to add. Okay, I just need to add this and then execute and then right. Okay, fine. I just cannot go straight away execute it. um, hash password equal to password hash dollar password Python 2y. And running current. So it's going to be decimal string. Yeah, and then you what's that? So one is ID, so name, hashed password, email, So website name, username, email, password. So website name, username, email, password. So this is being done. I'm just creating square. Okay, ticket ID, the results, store the ID, insert into the statement, and then mining the parameters, executing the statement, and then I'm going to add an if condition that says so. Okay, if this affected rows is equal to 1, so add affected rows is equal to 1, then how should I say it's successful? That's the um. I hope it works. Yeah, I just typed out a great style, great speed. I didn't expect this. Like, I didn't check whether it will work or not. But then, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So website name is Adidas, and then the username is Balaji Argon 2Y, and the password is password 123. Email address is balaji@adidas.com. Oh, okay. So line 41 has an error. Where's line 41? Okay, we expected. Line 61. Where's line 61? Okay. So include once, try to open the stream. Yes. So it should be this one, and then include once. Yeah, this okay. Undefined variable connections not there. So null. Okay, let me reset once again. Okay. I hope it has added to the database. Let's go. It has added to the database. That's how we do it, boys and girls. Just kidding. Ah, just need to open every single website. All right. So now this is done. Now here comes the fun part actually. So now that I've added the password, the dashboard is going to be really fun because I'm going to code this entire thing. Like I just copy pasted this, what is it? I hard coded this. Now I have to make sure that I get the values from it, and then it's something like this. Although I'm just worried about the color. If it looks uniform, it'll be good. But then I just want to add some more colors, so maybe. My friend is saying like, bro, the race is lit. It was lit. It was awesome. Race, like I cannot get over this race. Wow, like I don't know. I'm really excited for this, like the next race. All right, so let's see what needs to be done here. I need to check what did I do for this one because Zuma, okay, the last row. Oh, okay. I just put it in each and every row. Okay, I don't know. Oh, then I might have to change the design because this isn't like every single row. It's let's see, let's see, let's I might probably change the design to be like one single mega card that is like this. Because if I'm trying to do something like this, I seriously don't know how to do it because this is going on in a loop. Then oh, going on in a loop, and I want to make sure that I have to like increment and stuff like I plus one and I plus two, and then there will be like all sorts of problems. I might probably just put it like a strip and then just paste it over here. Like, I mean, that's what I need to do. Let's see. See, that's why I shouldn't do a lot of design changes in one stretch. It's going to be horrible. um. Okay. Let me check. Let me see what I can do. Then this Joe ends here, and then make sure this is there. There. 12. Let's see how it looks. And then this one and this one should come in another row. Let's see how this. Interesting. So all I need to do is that I have to make sure this is once like it's in 4 by 12, 4 by 12, like 4 out of 12, 4 out of 12. So, hmm, yeah, I think I have to change the entire design, the complete design language. Let me listen to some songs. Let's listen to it in full. Because I downloaded the music, and then if it like streams via internet, then the stream is going to. Come stay the night, go I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, you can stay with it all, gonna funny night and go awesome. Yeah, I think I had to change the entire thing. So this gets added. Let's see. Didn't see you in slow motion. Come stick the night, get the day with it all, not so potent. Come take a ride, cause though you like, I wanna see you in slow motion. Come take a night, you can tell it all, not so potent. I feel like a report, like a T-boy. Hello, Monica. Ain't about it, it's about it, that's about it, if I have a little bit better connection, I can stream the songs. It's DRM free, I guess. Ah, sadly I cannot right now. It's raining, it's raining. Um, so many times, I'm the last one standing. Sacrifice. I hurt you for so many times. Oh, I'm the last man standing. Yeah. Big party, party, why this is at center? Maybe it's because of the font size? Yeah, that's because the font size. This is the wipe. Did I remove the padding? What's to say? Wait. Okay. Oh, I just removed the margin. Okay. I think like 20 pixels is too aggressive, to be honest. I know this is going to happen. See? Like the iPads, man, they have. Ah, wow. This looks straight up bad. I think I have to add some. Not DTN. Oh, I might go for like a neutral color. Young kid, bicycles, the mama side. They play it up and over. See the party in the sun, in the heat, in the heat. We must need in the good times. I will no matter go like the ocean. Hmm. I'm just finding for the perfect color. Like, even though this color looks good, it's just, it just throws at you. I just want to be like a really pleasant red color. Or else, hmm, I don't go with like anything that's black. But I'll just try. I'll see anything that's good. This color will look good, but then it's white on white. So like this thing is light and the font is light as well. So mm-hmm. Let me try this one. Ah, but this is blue. This one's blue. I'll think I'll just finish off my coda for like the decision. I'm just trying that decision fatigue. Not going to decision fatigue treatment. Was to the motion. Find me away when you're on holiday. Whenever you're here, it's a good time. Strawberry shines in the sunshine. Ice cold place to the moonlight. You're my holiday. Yeah. The coffee got cold. Wow. Oh, oh, mm, mm. The problem with green though, it's see, the white text isn't visible actually. It's not that visible. I just want to be like it should be pleasant, but then Back to the Future. But I see that you come me. It's like to see that the way first. But just now the way some stuff. This one's actually good, but then I think I just use for the. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Nah, I think the blue one's good. Wait a minute, which blue did I use? Oh gosh. It's called this one. Yeah, I think this one's good. Yeah, I'll go. I'll finish this one, and I might change the font color of this one. Okay, so now this is done. Let me check how it is when error is added. Wait, what? But it's like, hmm. It's like, yeah, PHP. Ah, this one's actually good. Okay. I think I'll probably use this one. Like store all of the like I'll store like five, six colors, and then maybe I'll try to, because this looks monotonous, like everything's blue and it doesn't have any character. That's, I mean, yeah, I might do something like that. So I believe this is the key. Yeah. Okay. These are the keys, and then this is where the string comes in. Okay. I just check it out. Hey guys, if you're watching the stream, just uh, type hi on the chat so that I can know that you have joined the stream. I mean, awesome. We can have some fun. Like we can have a chat or something. You can ask questions. Okay, so I have to call each and every single time. Okay. So I have to call each and every single time, and then it gets some value from. Okay, let me check something. Uh, let's put some Rock Lesnar, John Cena. Um, oh, yeah, it rings out. Okay. Oh, I'm not sure that Jews like this, but then let's see. I'll just pick something else. I'll just pick this one. Hmm. Hey. I hope this works. Let's go, disco. Disco lights. See, everything looks like the same, no? Maybe I'll just add more colors and then it'll be like very good. Okay, now it's a bigger one. Um, Whew, all right. Like I might probably hop off after this implementation because I have to cook dinner and then I'll be back in like 1.5 hours. This will be a perfect life, maybe to get the man. All right, so um, okay. Um, mm, I think I might change the instead of the username. I'll just also send the uh, instead of just sending the username, I'll also send the okay, so I'm on dashboard, like I'm here, so it goes back to one folder, and goes back in, and then it goes to connection, and then awesome. Um, and then I'm preparing this. Prepare. Um, so parameter binding. All right, so boom, and then we execute the query. Okay, so but then so okay, so they store the results. So we can also calculate. Oh, get result. Okay. So I get the result, and then what I have to do is I'm just creating a if condition that is so. Now it's the big part. uh, let's check. So starting and ending is on double quotes, but then okay. Oh, okay. So that's how it's done. Um, 118. Oh, okay. So something's wrong here. I think I may have done something stupid. Ah, okay. I think I got it. So what I need to do is I have to log in again. Now the because what happened was I didn't send the login like before adding the session ID. I didn't send the login. Sorry, the ID from the login page. I just added right now, so I have to like log in again and then so that it sends the session ID. It's mad. So what's the it's a member function bind parameter boolean. Where's 127? What happened? A Boolean? Mm, this one's correct, right? Or oh, ID is coming in. Okay. Is it passwords instead of this is what the problem with the PHP, man. Like the thing is that it does not tell you where the error lies. It just tells you like it's some sort of error in this particular line. See, I forgot an S, and it should say that, hey, you know, uh, you entered this database wrong, or this return something, false or something like that. It's bad. What's happening to us? Oh, okay. Um, let me check. Okay, it's there. So the styles are not applied. The style is not applied. All right. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Let's go. Let's go. It works. It works, guys. Let me check. Let me add something and then see whether this works or not. Um, Home Depot. Oh yeah, Home Depot is a name. Let's see, Home Depot. Uh, Password Home Depot, and then I'll just add like uh, works. It's surprising. It works. Let's go. Wait. I did a stupid mistake. Yeah, I know it works. Works. Let's go. Wow. Um. So I'm able to create. I'm able to retrieve from the database. I think now I have to work upon delete feature, log out, and then finally how to show the password because the showing the password is going to be. So the thing is, I have just implemented add. I just implemented the retrieve feature. Now the next thing is for me, it's going to be about log out and delete first, and finally the show password because show password. I just have something in mind, but I don't know whether I can implement this on PHP. But yeah, I hope I can implement whatever I have in mind. But yeah, wow, this looks beautiful. I should say so myself, But guys, like I'm building this from scratch. The one advantage for you building a website from scratch is that you get to know what your code is. You know where the error is going to be. I mean, not when it comes to like the back end stuff, but then in the front end at least, you know where the error is actually. The problem with getting templates or what is it? Let's say I use Squarespace or something like that, is that you have the ability to move things around, but then there are some stuff that is just you're required to code instead of just type stuff or something like the shadow effect. I'm pretty much sure it's one click on Squarespace, but then if you want to like adjust the intensity or adjust the depth or adjust the colors, I think the granular changes that you can do on hard coding your website, I don't think it's there on Squarespace or Wix or something like that. I believe they're amazing when it comes to like when it's for people who don't know how to code or who does not like to code, because they're, let's be honest, like coding as fun as it can be, it's honestly one of the brutal things when it comes to like computer science, because for once, like for one, you need to have that kind of curiosity to code. And I know there are a lot of people who doesn't want to code, but then they want to get some really cool websites. And for people like them, the Squarespace or Wix is really good option. And I'm not judging. Like I'm not like telling that if they don't know how to code, it's like it's a bad thing, because there are like a lot of doctors who knows how to operate, or who knows how to do stuff that are really important, like much more important than coding. But then if you don't know, they're not judging us, right? So I think for people like them, it's really good. Like website builders are really good, and I'm able to find all the errors or like go in deeper just because I did the entire code, like build everything from scratch. And I think that's like the best advantage when it comes to coding your website by yourself. It's like I love coding for sure, but the errors in PHP, it's not my favorite. I think they need to change a lot. Wow, okay, that's a big of a rant. Yeah. So hopefully, like I'll just cook some dinner for myself. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to stream again, probably in like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, depending upon how fast I finish my food. And then maybe we'll finish it off with logout and this delete feature. So hopefully by tomorrow I'm able to finish this one off and go for the final edits like the session management, password storage. Password storage, I'm pretty much sure it's covered up because it's everything is stored in Argon. But I think it's good. I think so far it's been good. Like it's been really good. Whew. All right. So thank you so much for the stream. Like people who have watched at least like uh, who came to the stream. But next time when you're coming in, just say hi. You can just say hi, and if you want, you can chat. You can ask some questions. You can you know talk about something else. Wow. If I'm able to complete this much work in like what 1.5 hours, then imagine what would happen if I just straight away sit for 6 hours and then complete the entire website. But like I cannot do that. It's impossible for me. So yeah, next time when you're in the stream, just say hi. Just type hi Balaji. I hope in India it's morning now. It's what like 7 o'clock I guess. Like no 6:30 in the morning. And I know I started the stream like pretty early, but then I just want to make sure everything gets completed by Monday night. I just don't want to have that neck and neck moment because let's be honest, that experience is bad. uh, it's the thing is that when you do something neck and neck, you feel super tired, but then honestly you don't have the time to process whatever you have done. So I need that time to just settle down, like look for what I did previously, and then reflect upon that. I like to do that sort of stuff. Like even after finishing this website, I'll be thinking like, what could I have done to make this thing better? Even though this thing is judged by this amount of security instead of pure UI or something like that. So all right, so I'll just get started cooking for my like for the dinner. I'm going to make Thai chili noodles. That's the thing today. I'll just eat a lot because I'm really hungry. And we'll work upon the logout and delete. Hopefully it works. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'll see you in like 1.5 hours. I'll yeah, we'll have some more fun coding these two, and it's going to be fun. Yeah. Take care. Stay safe, and I'll see you in a bit. Take care.